Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to download Comet Browser Perplexity. So first, open your browser, for example Google Chrome, and type in Comet Browser download and open. Now claim invitation and wait a couple of seconds to start the download, or just click download Comet. Now click on the installer and start install. You can close your browser now, wait for it to download and install on your computer. Okay, and launch Comet. Now you can set your Comet Browser as a default browser, but I'll just skip it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.